Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the euro-dollar pair and recent events during the markets. Greg?
The euro-dollar pair has added 0.7% in the last three sessions. The ADX transitioned sharply into the positive area. Nike stock has gained 0.5% in the last three sessions. The ATR moved into the high volatility zone. The sterling-dollar pair has lost 0.1% in the last session. The Williams indicator has moved sharply into the negative area. The Aussie-dollar pair has gained 1% in the last three sessions. The highs-lows indicator has transitioned into the neutral area.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
Bitcoin faced selling pressure in September as the US dollar rose against major currencies for the first time in 6 months. U.S. markets quickly put the first presidential debate behind them, being long on hot air but short of substance. U.S. GDP shrunk by around 31.0% as expected. The sterling saw some hesitant gains recently despite an escalation in the Brexit negotiations.
Thank you for this. Now coming up, today's major economic events.
The Eurozone's retail sales will be released on Monday at 900 GMT. The Australian RBA interest rate decision Tuesday at 3:30 GMT. The U.S. FOMC meeting minutes Wednesday at 1800 GMT. The Japanese GDP Wednesday at 2350 GMT. The Swiss unemployment rate Thursday at 545 GMT. And the UK trade balance Friday at 600 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.